We turned Trevor's idea into a live app in just 4 weeks. Here's exactly how we did it. So the app is a live map of every bar near you, happy hours, their deals, and a claim system to redeem discounts on drinks with deals that Trevor has with the local bars in the area, all in one app. 4 weeks before this even existed, it was literally just a note in Trevor's iPhone. No design, no backend, no nothing. So I'm gonna break down exactly how we took the idea and turned it into a fully functioning, revenue-generating product, and what most founders get wrong when they try to do it themselves. So let's get into it. Alright, so Trevor came to us with a simple concept, an app that shows you the nearest bars, their happy hours, and lets you claim drink deals on the spot. No Googling happy hour times, or like looking at 6 different websites. Just open the app, find the bar, claim the deal, and then show it to the server. Simple idea, but no one actually did it properly in Hawaii. And when you actually think about the business model, it's a 3-sided platform. Because users discover bars and drinks all in one place, bars get more visibility, and more visibility gets more traffic, and a direct channel to promote offers. The app then monetizes this through a yearly and a monthly subscription with in-app purchases as well. With these 3 sides, it's all making sense and everyone's making and saving money. But in the beginning, it was just an idea, and that's where we came in. Because here's what actually happens at this stage. A founder has a good idea. The market maybe is there, so they try to build it themselves, or they try to hire someone for cheap. And then 3 months later, they get something that looks like an app but doesn't actually work as a product, with things falling apart. Just like this cat here. They didn't fail because the product was bad, they failed because they were skipping the product thinking and jumping straight to the build. And I always say this, that a feature list is not a real plan. The gap between this should work and this actually work is massive, and is where most founders lose months and money. What Trevor needed wasn't a new developer, he needed someone to think through the product properly, every user flow, every edge case, every connection between the 3 sides of the platform before writing a single line of code. And of course, that's what we did. First step, before we even designed anything, was mapping everything out to 3 different experiences. So we have the user experience. They open the app, they see a bar near them on the live map, they tap the bar, they see all the details, the happy hour schedule, the vibe, etc. Then they can claim the deal in the app, and it shows them to the server in the bar to redeem it. Then the end bar experience is that each bar needs a profile with accurate, updatable information. The happy hours need to reflect those schedules, and the system needs to support multiple drink categories per bar. Then the business model is subscription based, so monthly and annual options, the paywall logic, free users can browse, only paying users can really access the whole app, their features, and claim the deals. We mapped all that out before we built, so we knew exactly what we were doing. Now, to show you what the product looks like end to end, let's quickly go back a moment. The first page of the app is the map. So they open the app, they see this live map of every participating bar in their near location, updating based on where they are. Various different locations in Hawaii, each one pinned and live. Tapping any pin gets you their details, their name, their address, their website, their phone number, all these kind of stuff. And this is the main experience, fast, visual, and most importantly, 0 friction. Then we have the bar profiles. So every bar gets their own page with all their details, and also with a short description that captures really the vibe of the place. And at the bottom, they can click to claim that discount deal. And that's where this product earns its value, because the users tap, the deal loads. The users can also search for bars via filters, name, categories, drink types, all that good stuff. Then the subscription paywall that's fully connected to Stripe and fully functional, so free users can browse the map and the profiles, but the majority of the system is locked behind the subscription. So that's the conversion mechanism. The app shows you the value, the bars, the real deals, and the paywall sits there where the action is. And so that is the full product. The map, the profiles, the search, the paywall, and the purchases, all connected and working. Now let's see why this product makes sense as a business. The subscription is just $9.99 a month. That's not a high bar, no pun intended, for someone who goes out regularly. Like one happy hour deal covers the cost of the month. But the real leverage is on the bar side, because every bar listed on the platform gets exposure to every user searching in their area. They don't pay per click, they don't manage ads, and they just maintain their profile, and the app sends traffic their way. As the user base grows, the platform becomes also more valuable to the bar, because more users are seeing the bar. And so that's the system. And because Trevor owns the platform, he also owns the data. So who's searching where, what drink categories are most claimed, which bars convert most, which neighborhoods have the most active users. And so now this isn't just an app, it's a real data set. So the final result was Trevor came to us with a simple idea, left with a live functioning app on mobile, bars listed in Hawaii, a real-time map with location services, full bar profiles with their happy hour details, a working claim and redemption system, and then Stripe connected for the subscription. That was the job, taking what's in someone's head and making it real. Not just a mock-up or prototype, but a real functional product. Now, if you're watching this with an idea that's still sitting in a note on your phone, here's the reality, because the idea is never the hard part. The product thinking is. Most people would try to skip from the idea straight to the build. They write their list of features, find a developer, and hope it comes out right on the other side. But it usually doesn't, because features without architecture aren't a product. They're just expensive code. What actually works is mapping all the sides of your platform. So who uses it, what they need, how they connect, basically defining this layer first, and that's the framework, and that's what we did for Trevor. And so if you have an idea at the similar stage, something clear in your head, but nothing built out yet, that's exactly why I'll leave a link down in the description where you can book a free consultancy call. It's a call where we see specifically what a platform like this would look like for you. Also, don't worry, it's not a sales call. It's just to get a clear picture where the inefficiency is and what it would take to fix it. So link is in the description. With that said, we're Core Unlock. I'm Mateo, and I hope to hear from you soon.